Probate's the process when a party has passed and they have assets that have to be passed to heirs, beneficiaries. When we meet with clients to probate, first thing we ask them is what are the assets or property that the individual have, and was there a will? A lot of times if there's a will, that has to be filed, and that'll tell you how the person wanted to divide their assets. Most of the time, most spouses held property jointly, so on death of one spouse, most of the time the property passes to the other spouse. If a spouse passed and the property is held just in their own name, then that's when you're going to have to probate the matter to transfer ownership to the other spouse. If there's not a will, then it goes per the statute, what we call intestate, and the property will pass based on what the statute says, and whether there was a spouse, whether there were children, we have to follow that. And what happens is you have to file the probate case with the court. Somebody's appointed a personal representative to handle the estate. We deal with any creditors that have to be dealt with and divide the assets to the heirs and beneficiaries. Probate usually takes at least 4 to 6 months. From when you file the probate case, you're required to file what they call a notice of creditors to publish in a newspaper. Even if there's no creditors, creditors have up to 3 months to file a claim against the estate. You have to make sure our creditors have been paid or dealt with. Usually within 6 months, we're able to, most of the time, conclude most of our probate cases. If there's property or businesses to sell, that may make it a little longer, but the party can hire any attorney in the state of Florida. The representative doesn't necessarily have to be in the county or city where the person deceased. You just have to be licensed by the state. We've handled many probate matters in other outlying counties throughout the state of Florida. It just depends on, you have to file wherever the party resided. You want an attorney who's handled probate matters, who understands the process, who's able to explain the process, has the experience. We offer free consultations for probate matters, so we can meet with the individuals and our clients and advise if there's even a need to probate. I've been practicing 25 years in the Orlando area, handling probate matters, and done thousands of probate cases and litigated them from start to finish. You need somebody who understands the process, understands probate law, and could navigate and get you the result you need.